Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing yet again another unboxing, but this one I am super pumped for. Like this box, super excited to share with you guys because it is really good. What I have in front of me is my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for the month of May. We're gonna go ahead and go over everything that is in this box, and I'm telling you guys, this box is a banger. Now, I did do a couple of add-on products that I will share with you guys quickly. I got the Pure Lease Candy Johnson collab. This is their Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. It almost smells like spiced orange. It is delicious smelling. I was using it yesterday. So good, and it feels fantastic on the skin. Just want to go ahead and share with you guys that I did do that add-on. And I did actually pick up a single shadow from the Balm. This is their Day to Night Shadows on the Go, and this is in the shade Wall Street because, of course, your girl's obsessed with New York. When I saw the shade and the name of the shade, I was like, I have to have that. It's just like a very slight duochrome. It is a gold shadow metallic, but it does have like this very slight golden green shift. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm really excited to actually use that and get that on the eyes. Now let's jump into the meat and potatoes and what actually came in this box for this month. So the first item that I actually got in this box is from the Beautiful Factor. This is their Water Jam. This is a cleansing gel balm, which sounds really unique. I don't think I've ever tried a product like this before. There is this annoying sticker sealing this, so I'm just gonna rip the packaging right open. So here's what it looks like. Now obviously this is a full-size item. You do get 5.07 ounces, and it does say that it is made in Korea. I'm really excited to try this, especially if it removes makeup but doesn't disrupt the moisture barrier on the skin. That's really unique, and I think it looks really cool. And I do enjoy that it's for sensitive skin because I have sensitive skin. So thumbs up for that item. Super excited about that. Another skincare item. Now this is from Pure Heals by Nature Village, which is funny because I also got a product from this brand in my BoxyCharm Premium for this month. This is their Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Now I do have to say, I have heard iffy things about peel-off masks. Some people absolutely love them. Others say that it's very disruptive to the skin, that it kind of just really tears away that very first top layer and can be irritating. But the interesting thing about this brand is that it says that it is skin irritation tested. Sensitive skin can use it. I've never actually really tried masks like this except one other time. I tried one from e.l.f. It was a glitter peel mask, and oh my goodness. Holy shit. Okay, you guys, that is painful. And it's definitely pulling out little hairs. Ow. That thing hurt like a bitch. I did not like that mask. It went right into the garbage. So it'll be interesting to see how this one performs. But what's really cool is that in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, they included like an after mask serum that was specifically designed, or that is specifically designed to be put on after you use pore clearing masks like charcoal masks, peel off masks. So I think it's kind of cool that they're actually kind of cohesive in that way. So I'm all about it. Really excited to try this mask out. Since quarantine, my skin has been extremely congested. Moving on to the next item, we've got a lot of skincare in this box from MURAD. This is their Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. So this is supposed to firm and visibly reduce dark circles and wrinkles. Not very often do you see an eye cream that actually says it's going to help dark circles. I don't know how much I believe that, but I'm not going to jump into skincare and dark circles and all that stuff right now. That's a story for another time. So it says this can be used AM and PM, gently pat around the eye area. So this is nice. So it is a 360 eye cream, which means that you can use it all around the eyes. It's safe to put on the lids, which is awesome. Thumbs up for that. I've actually never tried anything from MURAD before, so I'm really excited to test this out and see how it works. I have sensitive skin, like I keep repeating myself and telling you. Hopefully that this is a good one. Moving on, we now have a weightless face moisturizer with an SPF 25. This is from the brand Dermedicine. Never tried this brand either, and I could use a good SPF. This one does, though, contain a chemical and a mineral SPF. For me personally, I prefer the mineral form, but I'm willing to give this a try. It says it has sage leaf, grape stem cells, green tea, and vitamin E. So yeah, it seems pretty nice. There's really no oils in this or anything. The nice thing is I don't see any dimethicone in the ingredients, which is great as well. I have to try this out. This also looks like a full-size product. It's got 2 ounces in it. The next item, we've got a couple of lip products here. The first one is from KISMET, if I'm saying that right. This is their Buff Sugar Lip Scrub right here. Now it says that this is an all-natural formula, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and cruelty-free, which is awesome. This does say right on the container that this is a sample size, but this is a 1/2 ounce. Ooh, and it smells really good. Oh my God, that just took me back to summer. It smells like a snow cone. Oh my God, yum. It smells delicious. Wow, I'm super excited to put this on the lips. Smells good. It looks really good too. And again, I'm kind of shocked that this is a sample size. This is a 1/2 ounce of product. Good enough. It's almost full size for me because it's got a lot in it, and a little bit of this type of thing goes a long way. I can't complain about that either. From CATE London, this is their Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. Kind of ironic that I got this in this box. A video, I don't know, several videos ago, I was talking about lip balms and my favorite lip products. One of my subscribers actually commented and told me that they loved this product, and then boom, here it is in my box, which is really cool. So I'm excited to try this as well. This one does look like it's probably more of a sample size. It's only 0.17 ounces, like a deluxe sample. But again, this is the kind of product that a little goes a long way, even in this small amount. This is gonna last me quite a while, so I can't complain about the size. And it smells very much so like a delicious slice of watermelon. Yum, love it. I love citrusy, fruity scents. Anyone else, is that like their favorite thing? I love it, love it. Orange, watermelon, lemon especially. Oh my God, yes, give me all of it. I love anything citrus scent, so good. Now this item that I got in the box, I just sat here and I was like, seriously, I feel like it's just like, it's meant to be. It follows me everywhere. I got the Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. Now, if you're new to my channel, I have a major love affair with New York City. It is honestly my favorite place on the planet. Now, I am not the most well-traveled person, but New York City, oh my goodness. And if you didn't know, I was actually married in Central Park almost a year ago. Wow, I can't believe it. June 8th is my 1-year wedding anniversary. I can't even believe it. But nonetheless, I love New York City, and obviously Central Park holds a very special place in my heart. But how cute and how crazy that I got this in this month's box. First off, the packaging is just to die for. I haven't really tried anything from Laura Geller, so this is cool. It's totally introducing me to the brand. Now you've got this cute little mirror inside, and it says here, Central Park State of Mind. Oh my goodness, how cute, you guys. My heart, I can't. This is adorable. This is so incredibly perfect. So here are the shades. So you've got 4 shadows right here. You've got a blush, and then you've got a highlighter shade. This palette is beautiful. This is truly an everyday palette, everyday glam. The shades in here actually scream wedding. Like, it's very bridal. It's very beautiful, very garden-esque. If it totally makes sense. It is so cohesive, so cute. Let's go ahead and swatch the shadows. So this one right here is the shade Turtle Pond. Now, all of the shades in here are named after places in Central Park. So that's Turtle Pond. Right here we have Sheep Meadow. Then we have Belvedere Castle, which is like a light taupey shade. Then we have the metallic shade Cherry Hill. Those swatched beautifully. They're beautiful shadows. Let's go ahead and try the blush, and then we'll do the highlight shade. So the blush is Strawberry Fields. Beautiful blush shade, very warm tone, perfect for my skin tone. And then we have Bethesda Terrace, which is the highlight. Now, obviously this can be used on the eyes as well. That might be a little bit dark as a highlight, but I'd have to try it out and see. But again, beautiful. I mean, it goes right in line with the shadows, would be perfect for like an inner corner highlight all over the lid. Very cohesive. I mean, everything in this palette could be used on the eyes if you wanted to. That is beautiful. It just put a huge smile on my face when I saw that I was getting this in the box. Made me so happy. It's so beautiful. Like I said, I couldn't be more thrilled. I think that the whole box is just, I don't even care. Like, I love that I got that in here because it hits home, you know? It's a very personal item. Let's move on to the next product. Now, this is from Huda Beauty. This is one of their 3D highlighter palettes. I have never tried this formula before. This, I feel like, was like such a hot item when it first launched. So many people had this. I saw it all over Instagram. I mean, this was like the highlight on Instagram for a very, very long time. time. So this one says it comes with it's a three-dimensional highlighter palette that has a cream and powder formula. So there is one that is cream and there is one that is powder as well. So let's go ahead and do some swatching of this. I love the shade names in this as well. We have Capri, Santorini, Azores, and Ibiza. I hope I'm saying that right. I feel like I always pronounce Ibiza wrong. So there's that one. Then we have the cream shadow. So this is Azores, this is Capri, then we have Santorini, and then lastly we have Ibiza right here. Beautiful highlights. I mean, they look absolutely gorgeous. These shades are right up my alley, very wearable. The only one I don't really see myself using is Ibiza, but this could be used as like a blush topper. So if you wanted to add a little bit of sheen to the cheeks, that's very beautiful as well. I do love that there is a cream highlight in here. As of recently, I am all about cream products. In fact, my blush, my bronzer, my highlight today, all cream. Absolutely love it. We are getting down there. The next items I have are two eyeliners. This is from Araceli. I got a dark brown and a black liquid liner. Now I did swatch these yesterday, and let me tell you, the pigmentation on these is unreal. I was actually shocked, and I will go ahead and show you guys. So before I do that, this is a felt tip. Now it does have that longer felt tip to it, which I absolutely enjoy. I was first introduced to something like that when I got the House Laboratories black liner, and I think that it makes it super easy for application. Like, are you joking me? The pigmentation is crazy. It does dry down to like a demi-matte finish. There is a little bit of a shine to it, but nothing too intense. As you can see, as they dry down, they have a little bit of shine, but nothing, like I said, nothing too crazy. I do prefer a very matte liner, but I could definitely work with this. And I love that the brown is like a true deep brown. Now this is obviously a huge difference from the liner that I got in my BoxyCharm box from Hank and Henry, which made all of these claims. And then when I swatched it, it was just like barely opaque. It was so sheer. I haven't tried that out yet, by the way. These liners look fantastic. We have got some brushes from the brand FACTR. This is the Be Beautiful BU eye brush set. I love getting brushes in boxes. I've talked about this before. I am lazy as hell and I hate cleaning my brushes. So for me, it's like, give me all the brushes. So here is what they look like. I do like the packaging and the handles and the ferrules. I think it's really cool that they're silver like this. They feel pretty lightweight, but what I do love is that the actual name of the brush and the number is on the brush. That is so nice. So for example, this one says it's a number 6. This is a short shading brush. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it actually lists it on there. The smaller brushes feel a little bit stiff, so I'd have to actually play with these. This one doesn't so much, like this one right here feels very soft. Same with this larger brush right here. But you know, different brushes for different textures, different looks, so I can appreciate that. But sometimes with a blending brush or like a shadow brush, I do want it to be a little bit less densely packed, if that makes any sense, just because I don't want to have any harsh lines or have any issues with blending my shadows. So these I'll definitely have to try out. But I think it's a cute little set. Again, I love the silver. I love the shadow brushes that are in here. These are perfect to create really any look on any eye shape. Thumbs up for that. There's a lot of products in the box this month. I'm like, wow, there's a lot. From KATE Naturally Luxe Beauty, this is their Milk Made Totally to Die For Indulgent Body Milk Cream. Wow. Long-winded. I think this is also, this is a body cream, so this has to be like a deluxe sample, at least I'm assuming. You get 1 fluid ounce. It is oat milk, candied cream, and it is seriously beautifying. This one also smells delicious, like summer. It's bright but warm at the same time from like the oat milk in there. But this one feels really beautiful. Like I said, I tested this out so far on my arm, and I did like the texture of it. Very hydrating without feeling heavy. Am I the only one who absolutely hates lotion? I hate hand lotion. I hate body lotion. I don't like feeling things on my skin. I'm super passionate about it. I can't stand it. It drives me nuts. So when I find body products like lotions and creams and that actually just quickly absorb, leave me with supple, soft skin, and don't leave like that nasty stickiness behind, I'm about it, and it's most likely something that I would end up repurchasing. That one did feel like that, and that was really good as well. We have 2 products left from Hey Honey. I think this is the 3rd Hey Honey product I've gotten in my boxes so far. This is the Look Into My Eyes Retinol and Propolis Eye Mask. Oh, so this is an eye mask. That's kind of cool. This is a leave-on absorbing treatment. You get 0.27 fluid ounces. Not for resale, it says, so I'm assuming, again, this is like like a deluxe size sample. It says this is designed to provide intense hydration and brightening benefits to tired and stressed under eye area while smoothing wrinkles and reducing dark circles. These two work together. Kind of interesting that we got two of the same product. So maybe I'll use one on one eye and one on the other and see which one does a better job. Little science experiment there. So there's that. I'm all right with it. I mean, not the best thing I got in my box, but why not? Give it a shot. The last item is from 111 Skin. This is a vitamin C brightening booster. I love vitamin C serums. I actually just ran out of my Obagi Professional C serum, which I think my skin has just kind of like peaked with. Does that make any sense? Like I've reached, what is the word for that? Why can't I think of it? Oh my gosh, it's on the tip of my tongue. What is the word I'm trying to think of? Plateau. That's it. I have totally plateaued with my Obagi Vitamin C Serum, so it is time to switch it up, so I'm really happy to see this in the box. It says here that this will work to improve dull and lax skin, highly concentrated booster, targets sign of hyperpigmentation, a regular tone, which also helps to reduce and prevent discoloration. The end result is just brighter, more luminous skin. Love a good vitamin C serum. Looking at the ingredients, I don't see really anything in here that would be irritating. The last ingredient is fragrance, but it does say that it is paraffin and silicone free, which thumbs up for that. I don't see any parabens. There is one oil in this, and that is apricot oil, which I do believe is non-comedogenic, which is nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right on top of the hand where I put the highlighter swatches on. What difference does it make? Feels very lightweight. It actually feels very similar to my Obagi Vitamin C Serum, so I think that this will be a nice switch up for my skin and something nice to try. Do you guys know what I mean? For me, this was the perfect mix. Mwah. Chef's kiss of skincare, makeup products, brushes. I feel like I got a little bit of everything in here. I got a highlighter palette, a shadow and face palette. I got an eyeliner, lip products, eye cream, a mask, a cleanser, brushes. I am so incredibly impressed. And last but not least, before I forget, this is the bag that came in this month's Ultimate. Super cute, very similar in theme, obviously, to the other bags for Ipsy, but I think this one is the best. That's the one thing I love about this box, is that you get a big bag. This is so realistic for me. You can travel with this. It's nice to maybe just keep all your skincare in, and it also is perfect for gifts as well. Like, I love these bags. They're so cute. Yeah, like I said, this is hands down the most impressive box that I have gotten in a really long time. I would say this is the best box that I've gotten from Ipsy thus far. The products just totally speak to me, and I can't wait to go onto the app and just rate everything and be super excited to see what I get next month, because I feel like so far Ipsy has just been spot on. I really haven't had anything negative to say about them. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you subscribe to Ipsy. What products are you impressed with? Have you been kind of with yours? It's interesting to see how so many people have such different opinions. Like me, I love Ipsy. I haven't really had a problem with it. Others are like, oh girl, I canceled Ipsy. Hell no, gross. I don't like it. They never give me the good products. I get repeat items. It's unfortunate. I wish it could be the same experience for everyone. So leave me your opinions down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course, please be sure to subscribe before you go. Love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye guys!